I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and my mom's on the show today, Ingrid.
Hi.
And we're going to show you today how to cook whole pan roasted potatoes. Now, I'm roasting up a beautiful Napa Valley Bordeaux cherry balsamic leg of lamb tonight, and I'm actually going to roast the potatoes in that. But you can do them separately in their own roasting pan, or you can do it with a bird or any kind of meat that you're actually roasting. So it's a basic principle of it all, and we're going to get things organized and show you how to do it. Okay, so I threw my lamb back in the oven while we were just preparing the potatoes and carrots. So the carrots are into nice big chunks like this, and I'm leaving our potatoes whole. They're just tiny guys today. So a little bit of olive oil just to coat them. They're going to get some nice coating in the pan as well of the lamb drippings, and that's going to be tasty. A little bit of cayenne pepper, same stuff that I put on the lamb. Salt, and some freshly ground pepper. And we're just going to toss that all together, make sure everything's nicely coated and everything's evenly combined. Actually, we're using some of these are all potatoes from our garden.
Yes.
And some of
isn't that amazing?
And some of the carrots are from our garden too. In fact, the carrots that we got out from our garden were so much prettier than the stuff you buy at the stores.
Yeah, we had quite a few of these lovely little ones. Mind you, we have great big ones too. But
and all different color carrots, purple and red, magenta. Beautiful. Okay, so that's all done.
And are they ever delicious, these potatoes from the garden? It's no comparison to the flavor, I must say.
And nice and firm. Really nice, firm flesh. Beautiful.
And of course, everything we grow is without pesticides.
Organic. All right, so let's get this lamb out. And we're about an hour from being done, so that's going to be a sufficient time to get our vegetables done. Ooh-wee.
Oh my goodness, look at that pan.
It smells amazing, right? All right, so we're gonna scatter the potatoes and the carrots all around. It's also gonna impart lovely flavor to the lamb, aromatics of these vegetables. And they're gonna soak up the drippings. It's just a whole lovely mess of veggies. Okay, so I'm just going to put the rest of this olive oil in here.
I like that.
It smells awesome. Let's take a look.
Sure does.
Gorgeous.
Ooh la la.
Okay, we're gonna check how these potatoes are doing, and they're done. The carrots are done too, nearly. I think I'm gonna let it go another 5 minutes.
Okay, do we want to turn the potatoes
Absolutely.
over? Okay.
So just flip them over. Now they're all coated in the lamb.
And the bottom,
drippings.
look at the bottom, is all brown.
That's exactly what we want. All right, so these have been turned. They look fantastic. Look at all, they've browned everything. Lovely. So back into the oven, I'm gonna put them for about another 5 minutes before I go ahead and start glazing this lamb, leg of lamb. All right, back in 5 minutes. And I'm actually gonna leave it uncovered. So we're gonna try these for you, pre-meal. Want a carrot, Mom? And a nice potato. They are so pretty.
Oh gosh, they're gorgeous.
Ready?
Put them in here.
Yep.
Okay.
Make it easier. Whew, hot. Now, bear in mind, they've soaked in all that roasted lamb drippings. Oh my goodness. It smells fantastic. They're cooked perfectly through. Carrot's great. I know this isn't a carrot show, but carrots are great.
Oh, that carrot is so good.
The flavor, intense flavor. Not only does roasting caramelize your vegetables and works with their natural sugars, but man, those drippings are something else. Using a roast drippings is such a great idea when roasting these little veggies. And it's an easy side dish. You're just throwing it in with the rest of your stuff. Those potatoes, out of this world. Nice little crispy coating on the outside, so savory. Picked up all those flavors, the pine, it picked up the bay leaf I had in there. Perfectly salted.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely lovely. So that's how you do it, folks. That's how you cook whole pan roasted potatoes. You're gonna love these. You gotta try them. If you have never done this before, so simple. Okay?
They're good for just an every night of the week meal or for an elegant dinner party.
Yep.
They're perfect.
Or for the
and
holidays.
So delicious.
Mhm.
Yes, for any holiday.
That's right. So I hope that you try this recipe out. You're gonna love it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and you can find me syndicated on Roku. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going down in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.
Bye-bye.